Now available from Lubrication Engineers is the Xport Star Vario single-point lubricator with Bluetooth, the latest solution in LE's safety-enhancing line of automatic lubricators. The new Bluetooth option enables remote configuration, monitoring, and maintenance for even more convenience. The Star Vario is a fully automatic, single-point lubrication system that operates independent of temperature and counter pressure to deliver a very precise discharge. It's ideal for applications that require precise lubricant metering and is a preferred system for electric motors requiring specific re-lubrication amounts. It operates in a wide temperature range, from -40 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and has a pressure buildup of 109 psi. Each customizable Star Vario lubricator kit includes a reusable electromechanical cover to protect the unit from dust and water. Your choice of 60, 120, 250, or 500 ccc refill with high-performance LE lubricant. Your choice of alkaline or lithium low-temperature battery. Remote mounting options including beam clamp, cage hanger, or rail mount. A push-button LCD screen with backlighting on the Bluetooth version. A red and green LED light that is visible all around the unit and from a distance to indicate current operating status. For more information about the Xport Star Vario Lubricator with Bluetooth or any of LE's other asset reliability solutions, go to www.lelubricants.com.